आई नाउ नो कि ये मेरे बच्चों को और बाकी के बच्चों को मार रहा है। उठा के सच्ची कहानी है, उठा के वेल में फेंक देता। द मूवी इज़ नॉट अबाउट, इट्स नॉट अ हॉरर कॉमेडी और इट्स अ रियल लाइफ स्टोरी। मुझे जब बिग बॉस में बुलाया तो मुझे लगा था कहीं से कूदना होगा, एंड फिर बिग बॉस जाके पता चला ये सब तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है यहाँ सीजन 1 में। आर्यन को खड़ा करता है और उसको टाई की तरह उसको मार रहा है और बात कर रहा है, बेटा कल क्रिकेट खेला था, तुमने 50 रन बनाए, विकेट भी लिए, वो फील्डिंग अच्छी हो गई है, एंड इज टॉकिंग।
There are also many other stories across the world where kids have killed their parents, their sisters, and they do certain things which you are like, यार एक बच्चा कैसे कर सकता है?
Kid Aryan, such a lovely actor, and I'm like hitting the wall with the bat and saying मुझे मार दूंगा ना। बेचारे का मुंह लटक गया, मैंने उसकी तरह, मैंने उसको कान में बोला, मैंने तेरे लिए और भी जगह है, तू मेरा भाई है छोटा।
आजकल के बच्चे और एनी टाइम के बच्चे when they get into a bad influence, someone is influencing, someone is poking those कि यार कर लेना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पी ले थोड़ा सा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। क्योंकि
मेरे डायरेक्टर ये इंटरव्यू नहीं देखते, पार्ट 2 बनाएंगे इसका।
ओके सर, सो काफ़ी तो ऑलरेडी हम सुन चुके हैं, बट तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि आपने, बिकॉज यू सेड यू आर फ्रॉम द माउंटेन्स, सो व्हाट इज़ दैट, आई वांट अ नेम ऑफ द अर्बन लेजेंड यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ एज अ चाइल्ड। कोई नाम है ऐसा, क्योंकि हमारे उधर, आई एम फ्रॉम असम, लाइक वी हैव हैड मेनी नेम्स, सो आई वांट टू नो लाइक पर्टिकुलर नेम्स इफ़ यू हैव हैड।
सो लोहा घाट के बारे में काफ़ी कहानियाँ हैं, एंड अभी जो शायद आप अंदर भी देखेंगे, और एक जो डॉक्टर मॉरिस का जो लेजेंड है वो कहानी काफ़ी फैली हुई है उत्तराखंड में।
सो अभी अगर शो के बारे में कहा जाए, ऑन अ लाइटर नोट आई एम आस्किंग, जैसे इनसे पता चला था कि सरबा से कि द एंटिटीज लिटरली कम एंड टॉक टू यू इन वॉइसेस, सो ऐसा कुछ हुआ था आपके साथ कि यू फेल्ट फॉर सम एंटिटी, सम कंपैशन, कि यार यू नो कनेक्शन, जैसे कि हम ह्यूमंस के साथ भी, इवन इफ़ यू मीट, लाइक यू मस्ट बी मीटिंग, यू मस्ट हैव हैड मेट 7 एंटिटीज like at the 7 places, so any one, or there might be many. Ishita,
it's a very beautiful question. Instead of hogging the limelight, I would like to, if you allow me, bring the attention to our seekers. One of the strongest, one of the most endearing things that I found about, and I would say this on our behalf, about our seekers, that at this age as well, not that they are children, they are in their 20s and late teens, they brought that sensitivity. So there was one investigation where, I think this happens twice actually, twice or thrice, where one of the seekers had empathy for the entity. So we were given they're always given some questions. And that was over. And this time the instruction was that if you want to stay back and hang around and do, because we wanted to see that, this is the test also. We want to see is, like, are you just following the rules, or are you kind of, do you want to like take a step forward? And I don't remember who, but I remember twice or thrice this happened, that they wanted to give closure to the entity. Like they had so much empathy. And I remember all 3 of us, we looked at each other and we were like, and I was like, क्या बच्चे हैं यार, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? You know, so
there was like an emotional bonding which developed.
Bonding, because I don't think so that anybody who goes to a place like this goes to bond with the entities. I think it starts with curiosity. There's a sense of investigation. There's a sense of passion that, of course, I would say for Sarbajit and Pooja, like this is, for them it's beyond passion. But I think just to hold empathy, and I always say this to everyone, as human beings, we need to have more empathy and compassion. And so I was surprised, to be honest, when you asked me this question. I was very impressed as well, that you also, you seem to be a person who, so yes, I mean, these entities, so what I learned through being the host on the show, spending time with especially them, and of course opening myself up to this world, is that these entities, and especially the human entities, I still find the inhuman entity stuff a little.
Yeah, so there were both kind of entities you guys encountered?
Yes, 100%. Every place has a different story, every place has a different history. And a lot of these people are people who've died an unnatural death, or a death before, like an untimely death, right? So, so I think they're stuck in their loop, they're stuck in their sadness, they're stuck in agar koi if somebody is waiting for medicine or if somebody is waiting for rescue, they're still waiting for rescue, they don't know they're dead.
Oh my God.
So to have empathy for that entity while you are a seeker, while you're a 22-year-old or 20-year-old, and while you are here to win a reality show at the end of the day, hats off. And all our seekers were like this. Even Karthik, who we had to go in the first episode, and I hugged him and I felt bad. उसका पीछे देखा मुँह लटक गया, मैंने उसकी तरह, मैंने उसको कान में बोला, मैंने तेरे लिए और भी जगह है, तू मेरा भाई है छोटा. मैं भी जब छोटा था, मुझे जब बिग बॉस में बुलाया तो मुझे लगा था कहीं से कूदना होगा, किसी से लड़ाई करनी होगी या कुछ तो पुशअप लगाना होगा. उस समय 20-22 साल की उम्र में यही आता है. एंड फिर बिग बॉस जाके पता चला ये सब तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है यहाँ सीजन 1 में. दैट वाज लाइक मेनी इयर्स, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर हाफ द थिंग्स. सो व्हेन आई सॉ कार्तिक, आई सॉ माय यंगर सेल्फ. सो आई सेड डोंट फील disheartened. This place is not for you. Go and you'll do well. So yeah, so I'm to be honest, so the reason I wanted to bring the highlight, because at the end of the day, of course, Sarvajit and Pooja have been with us and will always be with us, and I've done the hosting, but the main concentration and the chunk is these beautiful seekers, because this is their journey. So I just wanted to bring them to the forefront and more attention.
That's so true. So I just wanted to wrap up with a question. Like, I have watched your movie Barrett House, and it's a wonderful movie. I love the whole theme. I can't say whether it was a paranormal thing, but obviously it had some psychological element to it. But it also had some sort of a horror element. मतलब एक डर है, some sort of an unknown fear, and the ending was like, I just had goosebumps. So when you played that part in that movie, did you, because you haven't done a horror film, so was there any kind of similarity with the feeling you were going through?
First of all, that's not a horror film. The movie is not about, it's not a horror comedy, or it's not. It's a real life story. ये incident हुआ था. There was this person who was, not healthy and challenged. And in fact, if I'm not wrong, the month we released the film, that day that kid was released from a remand home. He was 18. So I definitely feel, I had a chat, the director is a mentor of mine, I have another movie, Pune Highway, coming with him. He definitely wanted the portrayal of this story in a Korean opera way. So it's the projection of the film which kind of has a stance of you can feel like, all those shots, and it's a cause and effect. We chose that methodology to kind of tell the story. And to answer the second part of your question, it did affect these hard roles. I mean, there's a kid, Aryan, such a lovely actor, and I'm like hitting the wall with the bat and saying, "Mujhe maar dunga," but that was a very tough scene. There's another tough scene it was a tough scene, and then something happened. So there's a guy called Aryan, he was playing my son. So there's a scene where I now know कि ये मेरे बच्चों को और बाकी के बच्चों को मार रहा है. उठा के, सच्ची कहानी है, उठा के वेल में फेंक देता है. So I, with my director, it's a tough scene. So actor.
And you playing the father's role.
हाँ, so and you want to do it well. So फांसी का scene है कि घर में लाएगा उसको. So लेके आता है, आर्यन को खड़ा करता है और उसको टाई की तरह उसको मार रहा है और बात कर रहा है, बेटा कल क्रिकेट खेला था, तुमने 50 रन बनाए, विकेट भी लिए, तुम्हारी फील्डिंग अच्छी हो गई है. एंड इज टॉकिंग, दे आर टॉकिंग, वो भी रिस्पॉन्स, वो भी नॉर्मल खड़ा है, उसको भी पता है कि आई एम गॉन, दिस किड इज अ स्मार्ट किड, लाइक एज अ कैरेक्टर. It was a tough scene. So I spoke to the director, especially when you're working with children. I'm very aware, I like the atmosphere, very, which is conducive for them, safe for them. So I went to the director, ठीक है ऐसे करके. So he said, call Aryan, maybe Aryan wants to rehearse. Aryan comes in. So we wanted a blocking with him. So Aryan can stand up here. Yeah. So for the camera, we're doing the the director and we are talking. Aryan starting his. So हो गया. So उसको नीचे उतारा. So Aryan, do you want to rehearse? No, just call me when it's ready. Okay, चला गया. ऊपर जाके बैठ गया. मैं बक्स कर रहा हूँ, बक्स. They make it look so easy. He said, yeah, we are adults. The problem is in our overthinking. So मैं भी जाके उसके बगल में बैठ गया. And we came, we did the scene. But it was, I think in that scene, I don't know if I was acting or I was admiring this kid. I was admiring this young actor who was like and unfazed and just like with so much emotion. I mean, that's the beauty of life, I think. And especially cinema and acting, and we get to see other people's process.
I
And
am so sorry, sir, but this would be my second last question because now that you brought this up, I want to ask one question. Last question. Promise. Second last was to him.
very cute and amazing person.
Thank you. So I just want to know from you because ऐसा सुना है मैंने कभी पहले because he was in the movie if I bring this reference like kid of that age and he was doing things which you can't think of if you see the movie or if you know the real story. So ऐसा कहा जाता है कि when people do such demonic activities, it was demonic, okay, like being a human, but फिर भी वो ऐसा कर रहा है. तो do you think कि obviously it was not a case of possession या ऐसा, but ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या कि अलग वर्ल्ड से entities हो या something which you know born in the form of a human, because उस एज में किसके दिमाग में आएगा कि ऐसा कुछ करे, something so gory and something so evil, yeah. So ऐसा कुछ होता है कि those kind of entities which do not belong to our world, या फिर हो सकता है rebirth हो या some you know अतृप्त आत्मा जो हम बोलते हैं, तो are these kind of cases similar to that, like this kind of kids जो बचपन में ही ऐसे demonic activities करते हैं, क्या कुछ है relation with entities कि ऐसे born हो गए, क्योंकि उनके पास क्या रीज़न है, मतलब ऑब्वियसली यू नो साइकोलॉजिकली साइंस के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो इट मेक्स नो सेंस, बट डू यू फील ऐसा आपने कभी देखा है कि उस एज में लोग ऐसा कुछ करते हैं?
See, अभी ऐसा हमने कभी from that angle we have never investigated, I'll be very honest. Why? Because like the story that's mentioned here, there are also many other stories across the world where kids have killed their parents, their sisters, and they do certain things which you are like, यार एक बच्चा कैसे कर सकता है? But you know, I think that's what I was coming to. And ये हम this context that I'm going to speak right now, we generally give example when people ask about possession, that how can a person get possessed, because we say that no one can possess you if you're self-possessed, you know. So how can someone else possess you, a human being or an entity, is if there is that grey matter in you, there's a dark matter in you that they poke into. Every one of us has it. It's just कि through our meditation, through our work, through our अच्छाई करते करते हम उसको कंट्रोल में ले आते हैं. But there are people जो नहीं होता है कंट्रोल, and there are entities which can poke through those you know dark areas, and they can kind of say कि अच्छा kind of it's like a bad influence in your life. Yes, it's like there's so many of these you know, and so many of these current generation के बच्चे भी जो हैं जो कि
मेरे डायरेक्टर ये इंटरव्यू नहीं देख ले, पार्ट 2 बनाएंगे इसका.
I will be one of the seeker.
So no, I think what I was coming to is that you know there's so many of these stories also where kids do it, and possession के भी cases हो गए, बाकी हो गए. We've always seen there is something in them which the other entity pokes. Now when I'm saying entity, it can be human being as well. आजकल के बच्चे और any time के बच्चे, when they get into a bad influence, someone is influencing, someone is poking those कि अरे कर लेना, कुछ problem नहीं है, पी ले थोड़ा सा, कोई problem नहीं है. But there are people who are like नहीं, हमको नहीं करना है. So it's all, if you're self-possessed, no one can possess you. But coming back to your question, yes, there are many stories, many cases of kids doing that, and I think entities है नहीं है, like Amit bhai rightly said, it's the human mind. If you can channel it, it can help you in innovating and creating things.
Defect, or if you have a deficiency, there's so much fragility of the human heart. There's so much frailty of the mind.
Yes.
So you know, this is a very tricky. You know, one hit in the head, you could be, you know, you could lose your senses. So
Traumas also play a very important role.
That was your question.
Yeah, traumas play a very important role because that shapes the child up. So yeah, so that forms the base of which direction the child is.
इसका तो he was born with a not a functioning mind, not a fully functioning mind. So
Okay, yeah, then that makes sense.
Okay, thank you so much. Had a lovely time. Thank you for giving me the grace time.